Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's a special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy.
Hello, Ate Caris. Happy birthday! Stay happy and jolly. Enjoy your special day. God bless you. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Caris. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Behe. We miss you. Uwi ka na para more food trip and travel pa tayo to come. Enjoy your special day with your special someone and I hope okay ka palagi, ingat ka palagi. And happy birthday ulit. We love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday to my ride or die bestie, my CZ from another mommy. I'm always grateful to the Lord for your life. And I'm proud of all the things that you've been doing for your family. Please come home soon with Shane. Love you since grade school.
Happy birthday. Uwi na at mag-travel ulit tayo.
Happy birthday, Ate Caris.
Happy birthday, Ate Caris.
To my favorite pamangkin na nasa Canada, na babae, Maria Carissa aka Caris aka Ganda. Happy 29th birthday! Hala, 29 years old ka na pala. Mukhang 18 years old lang. Parang ako lang, mukha. Anyways, sabi nga ng aking best friend na si Google, may all your wishes come true. Sana ako rin, may all my wishes come true. Always stay healthy and ingat ka lagi dyan. Sana balang araw makabalik ka uli dito kasama mo na si mama mo. And we're so proud of you kasi tingnan mo naman, nasa Canada. Ikaw lang mag-isa dyan, di ba? O, maabilidad, para kang si ina mo. Pareho kayong maabilidad. Anyways, hope to see you soon, sana. And, yun lang, happy birthday. Miss you. Bye. From your favorite mama na bunso na nandito sa Amerika. Happy birthday, Caris. Bye! Ingat!
Happy birthday, Caris. Wishing you the best, happiness, good health, pera, success, and always be safe, okay? Magpakabait palagi. Love you. Love. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Karin! I love you, and on your special day, I wish you nothing but happiness, peace, and that you get what your heart truly desires. You're such an incredible woman, very strong, very resilient, and full of love. And I just really admire how you face challenges with such grace and courage. Continue inspiring everyone. Keep believing in yourself. And we're just so proud of you in every step of the way. Love you!
Happiest birthday, Carissa. Take care. See you soon.
Happy birthday, C. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, whatever. And I miss you so much. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Diyan ka lang. Diyan lang kayong dalawa. Ay, dyan lang kayo dalawang aalis kasi babalik kami. Okay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, C. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang proud ako sa'yo sa lahat ng achievements mo, sa growth mo, mula nung una katang nakilala nung 2022, tapos ngayong sinusubaybayan ko yung journey mo ngayong 2026. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang na-appreciate kita kasi dinayo mo ako dito sa Me4, dinayo mo ako para makita yung family ko, especially si Andrea. Sobrang thankful ako sa inyo ni C at ni Shane na hindi man tayo nakikita. Sobrang thankful pa rin ako kasi nakikita ko pa rin yung stories mo, yung growth mo, and ang wish ko lang, you will continue to be this ray of sunshine to everyone around you. Kasi yung energy mo when you walk into the room, alam mo yun, yung parang sobrang positive ng energy mo na nakakahawa. Na lahat ng tao sa paligid mo nagiging good mood. And gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang happy ko sa'yo, especially sa love life mo at kay Shane. And hoping na ito na yon. And praying for what's to come for the next few years, and praying na lahat ng future plans mo, lahat ng future plans nyo ni Shane matupad. Happy birthday! Welcome na welcome ka dito anytime. Like, welcome na welcome kayo ni Shane or everyone dito sa Me4 anytime. Love you. Happy birthday.
OMG, moms! Eto na, last 20s na natin! Ha! Pero exciting siya. Anyway, happy birthday! Sana lahat ng dasal ng puso mo matupad. I'm so happy for you at sa journey na kung nasan ka man ngayon. And syempre, masaya kami for you and Shane. Ayun, tala mo naman, nandito lang kami lagi, nakasuporta. So, we love you, B. Have a great day, and happy birthday. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Carissa! Sana lagi kang masaya. Yun lang. Kasi kung may araw na malungkot ka, edi sana, ang wish ko sa'yo ay huwag ka nang maging masaya. Pero may araw naman talaga nalulungkot ka. So yan, see you soon. Alam ko magkikita pa tayo kung hindi sa Pilipinas. Kung hindi sa Canada, sa Pilipinas. Kung hindi sa Pilipinas, di baka sa kabilang buhay na. Pero, matik magkikita tayo. So yan, wag mo kalimutan kay Chinita Toby. Hello. So yan lang. Ano lang, yung video na to, hindi to video greeting. Pagpapakute to. Love you. Ito ka.
Hi, Manayan! Happy birthday! I miss you! Wishing you God health and more blessings to come. Stay sexy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate C. Hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate C! Love you! Miss you! Happy birthday! We miss you! Stay strong. We love you. Love you. Miss you. God bless.
Happy birthday, baby anak akong Maria Carissa. Ako yan. Maganda yan. Anyways, wala masabi. Enjoy your day. Baba, Jay. Miss you so much. I'm gonna cry na kasi. Kaya ganon. Alam naman kung gano'n kita ka-love. Enjoy your day, ha? Yun talaga siya. God bless. Love you, baby na ako.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lisa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Birthday, Charis! Ilang taon ka na? Kailan balik mo sa Pilipinas? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Charis! Enjoy Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Charis! We miss you! Balik ka na dito ulit, Char! Happy birthday, Ate Charis! Inom well, drink responsibly!
Happy birthday!